Most people treat artificial intelligence like a fancy search engine. They ask a question, get an answer, and repeat the cycle. Outsourcing your thinking without a structure comes with a cost. MIT research connected this habit to weaker brain connectivity. You are not getting smarter, you are becoming dependent. This state is machine fog. Anything you build inside it stands on sand. To escape the fog, you have to realize the tool is never your edge. The system you build around it is. Prompters optimize words. Operators build architecture. Moving past the chat interface requires a 4-floor AI system. The first step in building this architecture is addressing the biggest liability of a raw model. When an unguided model hits a gap in its knowledge, it invents fiction to fill that void. It hallucinates answers to please you. Floor 1 is the memory layer. Uploading your transcripts and strategy documents into a grounded system creates strict boundaries. Every claim now generates a receipt. Instead of debating the model, simply click the footnote and read the source text. But perfect memory creates a new problem. A human brain cannot manually process a decade of financials or thousands of customer feedback entries. This chart shows how Floor 2 solves the scale issue. In this pattern layer, massive context windows let you ingest millions of data points at once. The shape of your information surfaces. Hidden trends emerge and contradictions stand out. These first 2 floors turn chaotic, hallucinated data into verifiable insights. Reliable data is only half the architecture. Now we have to generate consistent outputs. Most of us build intricate folder systems on our hard drives. But folders only organize inert files, and files do not make decisions. We rarely build systems for consistent behavior. Floor 3 is the staff layer. Instead of one general assistant, you build specialized models tuned to specific roles. One handles content editing, another runs financial analysis. They show up already knowing how you operate. Intelligence is useless isolated in a browser window, the chat box trap. Floor 4 is the action layer. You integrate these specialized staff directly into daily emails, meetings, and documents. It becomes a process, not just a prompt. To make these 4 layers run smoothly, you need a standardized communication protocol. Every request follows the AIM framework. Define the exact actor, like a B2B sales director. Provide the input by attaching all relevant documents. Then state the precise mission, like requesting a 150-word reply. Stacking the AIM framework into this 4-floor architecture engineers the unreliability out of the tool. The AI architecture now handles the mechanics. You provide the meaning. Your work now results in stable knowledge, reusable processes, and real-world execution. This graph charts the long-term impact of that shift. This is the compounding advantage. When you build infrastructure, it continuously accelerates your output over time. Operators build an advantage that those still begging a chat window for marketing slogans in 2027 will not catch. Don't just use AI. Build a system that compounds.